Today, I'm going to show you how to clean the air filters in a wall-mounted Daikin air conditioner. A dirty filter restricts airflow and can reduce the unit's cooling or heating performance. The air conditioner may need to run longer, use more electricity, produce weaker airflow, or develop unpleasant odors. Daikin generally recommends checking and cleaning the main filters regularly, with every 2 weeks being a useful guideline during frequent use. Always follow the maintenance schedule in the manual for your exact model. Before starting, switch the air conditioner off with the remote control, then isolate the unit from the electrical supply by turning off its circuit breaker or disconnecting the power where this can be done safely. Do not clean the filters while the air conditioner is operating. You should also avoid touching electrical components inside the indoor unit. Use a stable stepladder if the unit is installed high on the wall. Do not stand on a chair, table, or another unstable surface. Open the front panel by placing your hands at the lower edges or designated grip points. Lift the panel slowly until it remains open. The opening method may vary slightly between Daikin models, so do not force the panel if it does not move easily. Behind the panel, you will normally see 2 large mesh air filters. These filters collect dust before the air passes through the indoor heat exchanger. Hold the tabs at the bottom of the first filter, lift it slightly to release it from the retaining hooks, then pull it downward and toward you. Remove the second filter in the same way. Some Daikin indoor units also contain smaller deodorizing, allergen removal, silver particle, or air purifying filters attached to the main mesh filters. These smaller filters may have different cleaning and replacement requirements. Do not automatically wash every filter you find. Check the model-specific manual first. Some supplementary filters can be vacuumed or rinsed, while others must be replaced after a specified period. Take the main mesh filters outside or to an area where loose dust will not spread around the room. If they are only lightly dirty, use a vacuum cleaner with a soft brush attachment. Vacuum both sides gently. Avoid pressing the nozzle heavily against the mesh because this may stretch or damage the filter. If the filters are very dirty, wash them with lukewarm water. A small amount of mild, neutral detergent can be used when necessary. Do not use boiling or very hot water. High temperatures can deform the plastic frame and filter material. Avoid bleach, solvents, abrasive cleaners, strong household chemicals, and hard brushes. Gently clean the mesh with your hands or a soft brush. Pay attention to the corners and edges where dust can accumulate. Do not bend, fold, or scrub the filter aggressively. Rinse each filter thoroughly until no detergent or dirt remains. Residual soap can attract more dust and may create an odor when the air conditioner operates. Shake off the excess water carefully, then leave the filters to dry completely in a shaded, well-ventilated location. Do not reinstall them while they are wet. Avoid drying them in direct sunlight, near a radiator, with a hairdryer, or in another source of strong heat. Excessive heat can shrink or distort the filters. While the filters are drying, wipe the front panel and accessible exterior surfaces with a soft, damp cloth. If necessary, use a small amount of neutral detergent and then wipe the surface again with clean water. Do not pour or spray water directly into the indoor unit. The heat exchanger fins, fan, sensors, and electrical components should not be cleaned with household sprays. You can remove loose surface dust from accessible areas carefully, but do not insert tools, brushes, or fingers deeply inside the air conditioner. The metal fins can be sharp and are easily bent. Once the filters are completely dry, reinstall them. Slide the upper part of each filter into its guides, push it upward, and secure the lower tabs in their correct positions. Check that both filters are flat, fully engaged, and not trapped or folded. If your unit has supplementary filters, reinstall them in the same orientation and position as before. Lower the front panel gently and press at the specified points until it closes securely. Restore the electrical supply and turn the air conditioner on. Check that the airflow is normal and that the indoor unit does not make any unusual noises. If your Daikin displays a filter cleaning reminder, follow the instructions for your exact remote control or controller to reset the indicator. Cleaning the filters can improve airflow, but it will not remove heavy mold or contamination from the fan, heat exchanger, drain pan, or condensate pipe. If the unit still smells unpleasant, leaks water, makes abnormal noises, or produces weak airflow after the filters have been cleaned, arrange professional maintenance. To keep your Daikin air conditioner working efficiently, inspect the filters regularly, clean them more frequently in dusty homes, or during periods of heavy use, and never operate the unit without the filters correctly installed.